everyone, welcome back to Living It Country. Today we have another incredible 2020 fall farmhouse home tour, and as you guys can see from this thumbnail, you guys probably already know who it is, and it's Julie from My Farmhouse Grounds over on Instagram, and I'm just so thrilled to be sharing her home tour today. So if you're not familiar with Julie, she shares a lot of DIY projects and a lot of her seasonal home decor and how she styles it, and she does such an amazing job. So you guys are gonna get so much inspiration, not only from this home tour, but when you go check her out on Instagram, which I have her in the links in the description box below. So I'm so thrilled to have her here today. I wanna share with you guys one more time before we get this video rolling, Auntie Candle Co's fall candles, and you guys know I've been absolutely loving these, and they have an awesome bundle deal going on. So I think it's 6 candles that you can get in their bundle deal right now. And I have burned so many of these fall candles. And a fun way I love to share how I have saved in the past is if you go to their website in the links down below, go to the welcome page and you can insert your email and you can get 15% off your first order, which is such an awesome way to save. And then of course, the bigger bundles that you get, the more money you save. But make sure you guys check out the fall candles before they are all gone, because Christmas is coming in the next few months. So they're gonna be rolling out those Christmas bundles. So make sure you take advantage of that deal. And let's go ahead and welcome Julie here today. Let's go tour her home and get some fall inspiration.
Hi, this is Julie from My Farmhouse Grounds. Thank you so much for joining me today for my fall home tour. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to start the tour at my coffee bar, my favorite place, so grab a cup of coffee or a favorite warm beverage and join me today. And if you have any questions at all, please reach out to me on Instagram at My Farmhouse Grounds, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have.
Thank you all so much for watching Living It Country today. I hope you guys really enjoyed Julie's home tour, and make sure to go ahead and follow her in the links down below. I'll see you guys later.